future of manufacturing is very bright. I think like with organizations like SFMade, they're really promoting founders, startup founders, and things of that nature.
Here in San Francisco, you have a great community of makers and people who try to help you to do things better and make your business grow.
So SFMade has been really instrumental in giving us a framework to think about launching a new business. We're still pre-revenue, and it's helping us everything from accounting to branding to thinking about pricing.
I think my number one piece of advice for new business owners getting started in the Bay Area would be to connect with other business owners and don't be afraid to ask for help. I've been overwhelmed and flooded with gratitude by just the sense of community, especially through SFMade.